Hello everyone, welcome to the Solotica Aquarella Arara Blue versus Gemstone Safira. So on my left eye is the Arara Blue and then my right eye is the Safira. As you can see from a reasonable distance, these lenses pretty much look exactly the same. Like, the differences are extremely subtle, and I honestly think that you could go out in public with one lens in each eye and no one would notice that they're different lenses. That's how similar they look. The only real differences I can see is the Arara Blue has a little bit more of a darker, sort of more aquamarine limbal ring on the outside, whereas the Safira has a slightly more toned down muted limbal ring. But really, both the limbal rings are not muted. They're very, very prominent, very vibrant, very bright. These are the brightest, most dazzling blue lenses that Solotica offers. The color is unmatched. I haven't ever tried a pair of blue lenses that topped these in terms of brightness, pigmentation, and vividness. So if you love super electrifying bright blue eyes, Safira and Arara Blue are exactly what you're looking for. They both have white speckling in the center to make it look brighter in the center, and then it fades out into that really deep, bright electric blue color. They both have a blunt pupil hole, I want to point that out, so very well suited for very dark brown eyes. In terms of comfort, the Arara Blue is more comfortable because they are 3-month lenses, whereas the Safira are yearly. So if comfort's a big factor, definitely consider the quarterly lenses. The Arara Blue is $45 US with my discount code Danica10, and the Gemstone Safira is around $80 US, and then you save money with my discount code. So I'll link both pairs below. If you guys want to see the entire Rio collection, I will link it in the end screen right now. I have all 4 colors in the Rio and Gemstone collections, so I'll put those in the end screen right now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!